Let's get started with the iProductionManager in your iCombi Pro. With the iProductionManager, you're able to easily prepare multiple dishes at the same time, or actually prepare a production schedule for your day's work. To get started with the iProductionManager, simply select from the blue icon on your menu bar. This will load into your iProductionManager, where you can start adding your menu items. The first case we've got as an example is preparing a breakfast range. In this case, we may be cooking things like bacon, eggs, tomatoes, mushrooms, and at the same time we may be preparing omelettes, toast, poached eggs, hash browns, etc. all together at the same time. To begin the cooking process, simply select the item you're going to be cooking, in this case our bacon, and then the shelf in which you'd like to load that item into. The unit will automatically begin the preheating stage prior to alarming and letting us know we're ready to load. We can then select other items we may need to cook at the same time, whether it's eggs, mushrooms, tomatoes, example, and we can have all of those items cooking at the same time. The unit will alarm and let us know when to remove each item. With the iProductionManager, you can continue to plan further throughout the day by scrolling across and simply adding more items as they're required throughout the day. To add and adjust your basket at the top, simply select from your menu icon at the top, and you can add from your cooking programs that you've previously created into the iProductionManager shopping basket. Okay. You also have the option with the iProductionManager to simply move our time bar at the start to your desired time where you would like to have all of your menu items ready. And whilst it's flashing at that area, we can simply select all the items that we would like to have ready at the same time. This is useful when preparing for functions and events when all of your items are required at the same time.